In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 gift ideas for the cross-stitcher who has everything. Hi there, I'm Sarah with The Notorious Needle, and I want to help you break the rules of conventional cross-stitch so you can make whatever you want. In no particular order, number 1 is a keychain ruler. This ruler easily clips onto your keychain or your purse and can go with you anywhere. It's small and goes up to 6 feet, 2 inches. It's especially useful for those surprise trips to the craft store. Number 2, fold-up travel scissors. These are the same size as regular embroidery scissors, and they fold up to an even smaller, more compact size. And they have a hoop at the top, so you can hang your favorite scissor fob or put them on a necklace for convenience. Still, if you're going to fly anywhere, check with TSA before boarding your plane with these. Number 3, a circular embroidery whip bag. This bag is especially made for embroidery. It has circular pockets to fit your hoops. There's a clear pocket here. Lots of elastics. You can fit spools of thread. There's another zipper pocket here where you can put small objects. A couple of elastic pockets. And that's all in the front small pocket. The main pocket inside actually has 3 sections. And this bag is big enough to fit a 10-inch hoop. With the cute design and lots of little pockets, it could also double as your purse. Number 4, a headlamp. Also available at the same hardware store as the keychain ruler. This headlamp is great if you're stitching in dark places. It's very bright and it has multiple lighting settings. And fits comfortably on your head and can be adjusted to look down for your stitching. Extra points for the super cool factor, but when a girl's gotta stitch, she's gotta stitch. Number 5, shiny threads. These are DMC's Diamond collection, and each spool of floss has this metallic sheen to it. You can find shiny threads by other brands like Krennic and Sulky. Not all of them are metallic. Some of them have a satin sheen and some of them have a holographic shine. These threads really enhance the look of your embroidery and are very popular. Number 6, a floor stand. Floor stands are especially useful for very large projects and for stitchers who might have a hard time hanging on to their embroidery hoop. You can find inexpensive floor stands online or even at your local craft store. Number 7, thread spool huggers. These little things come in different colors and they're useful for hugging your spool of thread. What you do is you put the loose thread under the spool, under the hugger, like this, and it keeps the loose thread from unraveling on the spool. The thread spool huggers I found are best for larger spools of thread, and they can also be used for sewing thread. Doesn't have to be embroidery thread. Number 8, a Snag Nab-It. It's this needle-like device that is used to pull loose threads from the front of your embroidery through to the back. You can see it's got a pointy tip here, and then there are screw-like threads at the end of the needle instead of an eye. Very useful for those random threads that might be sticking out or for a stitch that is a little bit loose and you want to tighten it. Number 9, fabric holders. So what do you do with the extra fabric outside of your hoop? You could use fabric holders. Basically, it's a silicone string with a magnet on either side. Roll up your fabric from back to front and place the magnets on both sides of your hoop, and it holds your fabric out of the way while you stitch. Number 10, 555 cross-stitch patterns by Donna Cooler. This is a pattern book that has 555 cross-stitch motifs, some large, some small, and some are easily combined. My mom and I talked about this book in a previous floss tube. We've been stitching from it for years. It's still available in most online bookstores, and sometimes you can find it super cheap in a thrift store. Bonus gift idea, get your favorite cross-stitcher a snarky pattern from the Notorious Needle. Become a VIP and instantly get 20% off any pattern in the store. Stitch on!